Yeah, we just started up our oil furnace and it's blowing soot everywhere. Blowing soot balls all over me. I gotta get out of here. Ooh. Soot. Yep, we got snow coming today. Again. Trying to fire the furnace off here and ran it out of oil. There's the other steamer over there. 8 degrees right now, so it's not as cold out. Look at all that soot coming out of there. It's just falling. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, here it's coming at me. Trying to burn all that soot out of the box. Somebody shut the compressor off and then it kept pushing oil in. And it saturated the whole inside of the box, and now it's trying to burn the soot back out. We'll keep turning it on and off. Alright, turn it back on again. Here come more. Come the smoke. Here comes the soot on me. Wow, look at all that soot falling everywhere. Wow. It's gonna cover me. Wow. I gotta get out of here. Oh. That soot coming on me. Wow. Look at it all in the snow. No, let's shut it off again. It's smoking the shop out. We'll have to go in and take a look. Look at all the soot covered. Okay. There's the beast right there. There's the oil. That's what pumps the oil in.
Turn the air on, bro.
You got the air on?
The air's on, so it's going to blow out whatever's in there.
Alright, we're going to go take a look. Oh, it's blowing up. Yeah, it's still blowing everything out of the box, but we got a nice sooty snow out here now, all the way out there. Yeah, it's still coming out. There, you just fired it up. Here it comes. I hear it roaring. Oh, shut it back off. Just, there's up. There, it fired again. There. It usually burns pretty clean. Well, got to get all that soot and carbon out of there. I guess that's going to be about it. Let's go see if it's smoking the place out inside. Oh, looks like it's burning okay.
Blowing out?
Yeah, there's nothing. It's clean now. So, yeah, you hear it. Plugged up. Well, yeah, there's some smoke coming out of it right there. Yeah, I gotta burn all that stuff out of there. A little smoke coming out of it right now. Yeah. Let's see if it's smoking outside. You know, Yeah, a lot of soot there. And until it blows off, it's really howling in there. You hear it. It's that thing. There, putting off. Alright, she's back to have heat again. Gets cold in the shop. All that snow up there in steel roofs. Alright, we'll leave it at that. Now the snow's blowing, the wind's blowing. Gonna blow the soot all over. Yep, now the snow's coming in. I don't know if you can see it. It's starting to snow. There's the sun covered. It's already got enough snow already. But that's about it. There, it's still coming off. I guess we'll leave it at that, folks. Now we got the furnace fired off, so. And it's still kicking out a lot of soot. Yep, it's soot. Look at all that soot. Track it in the shop. Yeah, it's still coming down. Now it's coming down with the snow. Alright, thanks for watching.